Want to transfer photos from your flash drive or USB to your iPhone? It's possible. Here are 5 great ways to move your pictures to your iPhone. Way 1. How to transfer photos from flash drive to iPhone via iOS transfer. iOS transfer is a top choice for moving photos from a USB to iPhone. This powerful tool quickly transfers photos and manages data between iOS devices, PC or Mac, and iTunes. Step 1. Insert the flash drive into your computer and transfer the photos to it. Step 2. Install and launch the program. Connect your iPhone and select Photos in the interface. Step 3. Click the Add button from the top screen, followed by Add File or Add Folder. Step 4. Choose your desired photos from this computer and click Open to put photos from the computer to the connected iPhone. Way 2. How to move pictures from flash drive to iPhone via iTunes. Open iTunes' latest version and connect your iPhone via USB. Click the device icon, then Photos, and check Sync Photos. Select the photo folder from your flash drive and click Apply to transfer. Way 3. How to move pictures from USB to iPhone with iCloud. Log into iCloud on your computer and upload photos from the flash drive. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud Photos, and turn it on to sync the images. Way 4. How to move photos from USB to iPhone over email. Insert the U-disk, copy the photos, and email them to yourself. Open the email on your iPhone and download the attachments. Way 5. How to transfer photos from USB to iPhone without computer. Install the Expand Drive app on your iPhone and connect the flash drive. Select Copy Files from USB. Choose Photos from the Camera folder and click Copy to iPhone.